Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'm going to be making some seafood stuffed chicken, and I'll be using crab meat and shrimp. So here I have my chicken breast that I have cut. I also use my meat tenderizer to get it leveled, so every piece is leveled. Here I have onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, and Cajun seasoning, and my extra virgin olive oil. Let's get right into the recipe. So first I'm going in with the extra virgin olive oil, followed by the mixture of my dried seasonings. Now we're just gonna mix it all together. So the chicken is all seasoned. I'm going to cover it up with some plastic wrap. I am going to allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes because it's chicken breast. You don't really need it to marinate for that long. And I'm just going to leave it covered with plastic wrap on my counter just so that it gets as close to room temperature as possible. So I want the chicken to get like the grill mark, so that's why I'm using this skillet. Time to flip. Yes, this is what I want. Beautiful. And it is not all the way cooked, and that's fine because it's going into the oven. I'm going to take it out. As you can see, it's still not all the way cooked at all. But it's going into the oven and it will finish cook up in there. I just need the beautiful sear marks all over. And now we are moving on to my favorite part, the crab meat. So I was able to get some crab meats. They had them in the can, the lump crab in the cans. I was not able to get the huge pieces. They did not have it available at Wegmans when I went there. So I had to settle for the can. So we're gonna go right into it. I have a few pieces of shrimp in here as well that I have deveined and I also cut up in smaller pieces. So I have the crab meat and I have my shrimp in here. Now I have the lump meat and I just have the regular white crab meat in here as well. Here I have salt, pepper, and Cajun seasoning. If you have Old Bay seasoning, you can use that as well. Here I have a blend of seasonings, which is onion, garlic, parsley. I have scallion in here. I have thyme. I have pimento peppers, and I have bell peppers. In here I have 2 eggs. I have Dijon mustard, yellow mustard, and mayo. So let's start to mix the wet ingredients together, and then we're gonna move on to the dry. So I'm gonna start by just whisking together the eggs, mayo, and mustard. Next, I'm adding in that seasoning, followed by my salt, pepper, and Cajun seasoning. A dash of pepper sauce, and I'm using Barron's West Indian hot sauce. You can use whatever hot sauce of your choice, and just a dash of my Worcestershire sauce. And guys, I almost forgot my lemon. I had it to the side of the table, so I forgot to mention it at first. But I'm using half of a lemon in this recipe as well. The juice of half of a lemon. Next, I'm gonna start going in with my shrimp and my crab meat. Just gonna, we're not mixing too hard. I'm gonna put it in the fridge for about half an hour, and then we're going to assemble them on top of that chicken. So guys, now it's time for assembly, and I'm gonna be using a scoop, I also forgot to mention, now some people use breadcrumbs when making theirs, and that's fine because it can be used for binding. But if you use breadcrumbs, just be careful of how much breadcrumbs that you use. Okay. So guys, this is how I stuff my chicken. I feel like I get more stuffing when I do it this way versus doing just a small slit on the side and then adding my crab meat. And this does not take long to cook. Between about 12 to 15 minutes is sufficient. And I'm going to place it in a tray on some parchment paper, put it into the oven, and I'll be showing you guys how it looks in the end. So guys, my stuffed chicken is all done. Oh my god, this looks so good. I also did some additional shrimp on the side. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you love my content, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, watch the ads. Thanks again so much for watching, and you continue to have a good day on purpose. Bye.